Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Hub. I hope you are all doing great. Today we are going to learn about the pride of our nation, the Indian national flag, our beloved Tiranga. So let's start the speech. Good morning, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I want to talk about the most beautiful flag in the world, our Indian national flag, the Tiranga. Whenever I see our flag flying high in the sky, I feel very proud. It reminds us that we live in a free and wonderful country called India. Our national flag has three beautiful colors. Saffron is at the top. It stands for courage and strength. It tells us to be brave. White. White is in the middle. It stands for peace and truth. It tells us to be kind to everyone. Green. Green is at the bottom. It stands for our land and our greenery. It reminds us to take care of our earth. In the middle, there is a blue wheel called the Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes. It reminds us that we should always keep moving forward and never stop learning. Our flag was designed by a kind man named Pingali Venkaya. It became our national flag in 1947 when India became free. How can we show respect to our flag? We should never let it touch the ground. We should keep it clean and safe. When we see our flag or hear our national anthem, we should stand straight and salute it with love. So, my dear friends, the Tiranga is the symbol of our love for our country. Let us promise today to always respect our flag and be good, honest children. Thank you, Jai Hind. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you for watching.